Y'all remember this thing right here, right? Yeah, buddy. What years was I keep forgetting? 9 dudes?
89.
89 Rock. LS Fest. They got the new Camaro interior up in there with the ratchet shifter. You know what I mean? My boy T right there. What you did to this thing, man? I haven't showed him yet. What you do to it, man?
Just put some air on it. That's it. Just put a little bit of air
He
conditioning.
put the AC on it.
That's it. Nigga was getting hot.
Car was running hot, so he had to put some AC on her. Yeah, man, he got that blower set up on this thing, man. Y'all see the bracket? What that say? That's LS Simple Big Murph.
Shout out to Murph, man.
Big Murph
all
putting
the way, the whole way.
Big Murph putting in work.
Been there the whole way. Talked to him last night.
Yeah, man. Murphy one of the coolest people ever. And this is all T Money. I ain't seen this car in
About a couple months.
Yeah, man. I ain't seen this car in a minute, man. So the last time y'all seen it, that was the last time I seen it. He doing all the fab work himself. You know, he doing everything. He got the oil going to the what you said the feed is going to the oil pan, right?
Yep.
He got all that, man. Yeah, man. He got it looking good up underneath here, man. He about to get a world problems.
I'm gonna try.
So he just still right now, he mocking it up. He said he has to get one more belt because it's like, I guess it's like the belt's still slipping. He said he making power.
Power.
He over there making power. So, man, this is the update on this. Somebody just commented on his video saying third gens are the best. And, yeah, man, this one right here, I got to agree with you on. He got the trans cooler all down there. Everything done on this thing, man. He doing everything by himself.
Good help.
And you see the one down there? He got all those going up in there where it fell off, but everything going in there all itself.
Yeah, it ain't put in yet until I get this belt right.
Is this the one you was talking about right here? Or you need another one?
No, it's a Daco pulley.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, man, he got his fans right here. This is all like right now just popped up on him. I had to sneak up on him. He was like, come through.
Yeah.
So, you know, this spare the moment right here.
Yeah, next time you see it, it's gonna be whistling. It's gonna have some air conditioning.
Yeah, so we're gonna have her sneezing next time, man. We're gonna be over there sounding like she's sick.
Yeah, low boost, boost.
He even got some header wrap over here, see?
Yeah, that's
okay.
my hot part, man, you know, so it don't get burnt up.
Oh, okay.
Because it's on the header, I'm gonna wrap him. I'll take him down when I hook up all the pipes, because it's pretty much done. Once I put the belt on, it's power. You know what I'm saying?
He already got to hear it though.
It's there.
He already got to hear it.
It's been 9 months. It's been long enough.
Yeah, man. So, like he said, it's just the belt is slipping a little bit, so he has to add one more tensioner on there, and then after that, man, she back in action on the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you got to go to Leading Edge Performance to get a tune on there or something.
You know, I'm gonna see who give me the best deal.
Yeah, man. So this is what we got, man. And somebody was asking about that iPad setup too, bro. I didn't know what the hell to tell them.
Nothing but I don't know. Just tell me it's link in the bottom. I can give you the link to it.
So can you turn it on right now, the initial, so they can see what I'm talking about?
No, I ain't gonna cut it right now.
All right. So well, I'll leave the link in the description below to where he got it from, and I'll also leave the link in the description to where you can actually see his dash. He got like a digital dash working. That thing is nice. But all the seats and everything is functional, man. He got this thing working the way it's supposed to be working. He got the little slap back there, you know, the razzle dazzle.
Yeah, man.
This car came a long way from when he bought it and from where I seen it. This car came a long way.
Yeah.
He doing the whole thing, man. So kudos to bros. And it's funny because, like I said, man, I don't know if y'all know the story or not. He hit me up on I think on Offer Up or something like that. And then when he hit me up, whatever, he was like, yeah, I got a 3rd gen Camaro, whatever. I was like, all right, let me come over there. I just want to check it out. And then I checked it out. He was like, oh, man, I need a tune. I was like, oh, cool. So we ended up doing a tune. And then he was like, hey, but the fuel system messed up. I'm like, oh, well, damn. So I kind of jumped the gun on the tune. But long story short, man, we got together. It was literally just come over to check it out, and it turned into, he turned into a customer. Now he's just a homie. And we just be kicking it like that, man. Everything he been solid since day one, man. So if y'all YouTubers and y'all got people around y'all, Go check them out, man. Not for the customer, just go check them out because you can run into some solid people, man, just off of a OfferUp ad, a Craigslist ad, Facebook ad, an email. Sometimes y'all might have to email me more than once, but I will get back to you. I'm just busy doing a lot, man. So, yeah, man. That's it. That's it, man. So, y'all see Tatiana in a little bit.
Very soon.
Ooh-wee.